and get into it. Enough talking. I know y'all really don't care about unboxings. You just want to see the product, how it works. So let's go ahead and get into it. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing an unboxing and a setup and kind of like a demo of some new lights that I just got, some new LED panel lights that I just got. They just came in the mail from Amazon, and I want to go ahead and set them up and show you guys how they look, just in case you're looking for lights or you're interested in like upgrading your setup or just upgrading your quality. Again, I did order these lights from Amazon and I did catch them on a sale, so hopefully if you guys are watching this video, hopefully they're still on sale so you can take advantage. Disclaimer, I am not a professional, I'm not a tech squad, no. I am just a content creator, business owner that has to kind of dabble in all these different industries in order to basically, you know, increase my quality and just my content, keep it nice and aesthetic. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. The panels and everything, it also comes with this instruction booklet. Let's see what's inside. This is what the panel looks like. And y'all ignore my nail, okay? I gotta go get my nails done. But yeah, this is the panel. It does come with the barn doors, and this is basically to help focus the light. So you can move them in and control how much or how little light for your subject, or that you want to focus on your subject. It has like these, you probably can't see them, but those are the beads, those are the LED beads. I think the diffuser comes attached because there's like a soft light diffuser here. Oh no, you can take it down. Okay, so this is the diffuser. This is a diffuser, and basically it softens the light. It's like a clear panel that goes on top of the beads. You can use it just like this if you want it to be a little bit more sharp, a little bit more focused, I guess. But then if you didn't want the light to be so harsh, you could just go ahead and put that diffuser right back into place. And again, you can control the barn doors to focus the light on your subject. I will be doing a demo, like a slight demo, so you guys can see how the lights actually look. Right now, I'm only using my ring light, and I have a light on behind me from my vanity. So we'll see what the light will look like once I add the panel. Okay, so basically you have two control dials in the back along with the power switch and the spaces for the external portable batteries. That does not come with this kit. It does come with power adapters that you can connect to the wall, but it does not come with these. You would have to buy those separately, I assume. There's a percentage as well as a number with a K on it. The percentage is basically how bright, like how dim or how bright the light is. You can go from 0% all the way to 100%, and you can go to the highest is 5600 Kelvin, which is the white light, so the brightest of the white, And you can also go all the way down to 3200 Kelvin, which is the yellow light. So both lights have this option, but basically these are the controls. That's what it has. You can control the brightness and the percentage, so you can get it as bright or as white or as yellow and it's dim as you like. So there's a lot of flexibility with your lighting. You can play around with that. Now let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit. I'm gonna give you guys a demo and we're gonna focus on one of my wigs or something, for example, so that you can see the power of the light. I'm gonna turn off all the other lights in my office. Right now I only have my vanity light on, but I'm gonna turn off all of the lights and I'm gonna show you exactly how bright or how effective the lights are on their own if you are looking for these as a light source by themselves. I have both lights on and they are set at 100% at 5600 Kelvin, which is the whitest light. Okay, now I am gonna go ahead and turn one light down. That's 90%. That's 80%. That's 70% on one light. The other light is still at 100%. 60%, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and completely off on this left side. As you can see, there's only a lot of light on this side because that light is still set at 100% at the 5600 Kelvin. Now we're gonna go back up. That's 10%, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now let's go ahead and take things down at 3200 Kelvin. And that's what they look like full blast on the lowest light setting at highest power. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn one light off. Same thing we did before. I'm turning off one light, and right now we only have one source. One light is on. And let's go ahead and check out the brightness. Okay, so we're at 100% on one light. The other light is off. Okay, let's take this down and see how it looks. 90%, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and off. Let's take things down to 50%. So we have one light on at 50%. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my other light back on, okay? And we're gonna take this light down to 50%. So now I have both lights on at 3200 Kelvin, which is the yellow light, at 50%. And this is both lights back up to the brightest white, which is 5600 Kelvin, and they're set at 50%, both of them. Right side is at 100, the left side is at 50%. Now we can go ahead and turn that other one up and you can see the difference in the lighting. And again, this is just the panel lights. This is no other source of light on in this room, only the panel lights. But I think that these are a good budget, entry level pair of panel lights. All right guys, that's gonna be all for this video. I hope that I explained this equipment and these products to you in a way that you understood. Like I said in the beginning, I am not a professional lighting equipment person or a professional techie, so I'm learning along with you guys. Please let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns down below, as well as what other kind of videos you guys might want to see. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.